Hello, Mother Nature, wind, storm, ocean. They say when someone is sleeping in the house and end up in the ocean, it's like you're too big for them to put you back in the baby body. They cannot put you back inside your mother, so they fool you. You have to go in a big ship. You have a job. They give you all the same slippers. Everybody have the same slippers. They're happy, waving to their family. And after they travel with this big boat, they have divers on the water, and then they make them fall asleep, and then they turn the boat upside down, and now they can fool themselves that the boys who die in the ocean become the fish. I don't want to speak of the game. Speaking of the game, then they succeed, Let me try to sing some. I have 41 videos that is not playing because some was too long or it was misposted. So 609 is minus 41. So I'm trying to create songs, like 41 songs, in place of messages. Not in one day. I don't know if I can pull it up in one war, but let's see where I will start. For the ones who arranged the killing of the black boys, well, if you see the video I saved, you see how the consciousness is flying in a wave with many birds. Be careful, because very soon, the more black people you kill, one black person in the street will be taking a walk with a big wave, and you passing by, maybe your cigarette will not work properly. You will need a cigar or pipe. It's not an insult, it's just a fact. The more you keep suppressing black people, the bigger wind gonna be behind one black person. The body is meant to multiply so that the stress in one can be captured. But when you delete it, you want to fool people with videos, but you forget there is a real life. If you don't see it, press play on the video I saved with animals and see how the wind travel. You now like 100 black people in place of 3 billion. We are 6 billion in the world. 3 billion white, 3 billion black. If you now us to be 1 billion, then it's a 5 persons actually working with 300 energy. We live in the same world. You breathe in what the dead breathe in. And when the wind of humans have no place to go, they go behind the one girl that's going to make 5 children. Yeah, life sometimes it's better to sleep every day, because when you wake up you don't know what to expect. It's the same every pregnancy, have no plan. People think about something they don't know. And when the baby came to this world, they send the baby to get copy conscious. Many movies to brainwash people. Girls are easy when it comes to movies, but boys never let go, and they like to repeat the yesterday. But I know it is better for these boys, because the war is getting stronger. So I think it's time for the wind to be free, because when the going is getting warm, I believe that this life has so many places for everyone, but some people really believe that other people are responsible because they don't feel like some do. And when they see people laughing and joy, and now they think they have to get rid of them, maybe they will be happy. And when my eye is just one, and when you show me that my people are gone, and you want to bless me with yours, you have to understand I don't have time for yours. So I try to make time for me. And if you're curious what I'm doing, then you're welcome to snoop around. Killing my people and show me, it only kill my eyes. But you're trying to build something out of me, you know. I'm very easy. I'm not jealous of nobody, what they have. I take something little and make it shine. But you're trying to build me to this racial, you know. You kill black people, I don't want to see white people. Well, white people sleep in the night. I don't go to your disco anymore. I don't go buy no new shoe, no new bag the last 4 years. It's my way of telling you. I am just a living dead. I manage what I have yesterday. Life is to buy new shoe, new bag, disco and stuff. I have babysitters. I decide to stay home. Why go among the chosen ones when your people are all sleeping in the graveyard?